Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Yo! It's time to open some mail. Over here at Only Masterpieces, we're going to do a nice unboxing video for you great fans who sent us so many beautiful, beautiful things.
Thank you so much. Our inbox is full. We gotta get rid of this shit, so we're opening.
We gotta get rid of this dumb this great stuff that you sent. We're just so excited.
We love you. You love us. That's why you sent us this stuff.
Fans, that's what it's about, is the fans. God.
I love the fans
I love
so much.
Fans. We all love the fans here. That's why we make these videos. It's for you guys. It's not for us. It's for you.
None of this is for us. Trust me. It's for you guys!
Alright, my man. Let's go. Let's open some boxes.
This is the first package that you guys sent. Didn't do a very good wrapping job on this one.
Oh, you heard that, fans.
It's okay, because it's a thought that counts.
Whoa.
It's Minions!
Dude, no way!
Minions!
Holy shit!
Oh my god, how'd you know? God, I love Minions! I love Minions!
Whoa, damn! That's
my
awesome! You know the fans, they always know.
How do they know? How do they know how much I love the Minions?
I don't know.
You guys are the best. This is why we make our content. For you guys, because you are the best. There's no lunch in here, though. I would've. I'm kind of hungry. I would've liked a lunch. Alright, boys.
Let's... I'm excited. I'm excited. That's some kind of a hack, a little bad tape job. You guys should really work on that. It's pretty awful. Honestly, that's fucking bad. But let's not. Oh, we got a letter here, a fan mail. Yeah, buddy. All right, we're gonna read this first before I get into it.
Read out loud for the fans.
Of course, I'm gonna read it out loud. This letter goes to the fuck with the beard and glasses. I always see you inside the Costco I work at, and you always clog the urinals when you use the bathroom. If I see you again, I'm gonna beat that ass. By the way, your vids are right. Sincerely, George Costanza. Well, as long as he likes the videos, right?
Yeah!
Yeah, brother!
Yeah!
Alright, let's see what we got in this package. Oh, these look comfy, George. They smell. Have you worn them? Oh, yeah. You know I'm going to be wearing these tonight. Let's see. Holy shit! Look at that!
It's George!
It's George!
He sent you his work. What a nice man.
I thought you worked at Costco.
I think he used to be on Seinfeld. Now he's working at Costco.
That's kind of depressing, but thanks anyway for the Seinfeld 6. I have all the ones but Volume 6. So good job, George. I'm sorry about the urinals too, but it wasn't me. I'm just generally sorry. Definitely, it was not me. I'm not the type of guy to clog the toilet and just leave it. I bring a plunger with me wherever I go.
That's a fact. I know that for a fact.
He knows that. You can ask him.
Alright guys, next box. Yeah, some of this dripped on me. It smells kind of weird too.
What's in there? What is it? What is it? Let me see.
I'm afraid to touch it. Wait.
What?
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Alcohol?
Yeah, brother.
Nasal stuff.
Wait, what? Hold on. I don't think...
What's in my hand?
What's in this, though?
Yeah,
What is that, dog?
Is that a cum box?
Oh, God!
Alright, guys. Final box.
Final
I'm
box.
excited about this one. It's the biggest box we have. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your favorite color.
Oh, shit. I think there's a letter in there, too. Yeah, yeah.
Read up.
Let's read that first. Let's read that first.
Dear Only Masterpieces, I must admit to you that I have committed a grievous crime. It all began when I met a woman outside of a dump bar on a cold, windy night. She was very beautiful with long, flowing blonde hair. And
Nice, dude. Yeah, this guy knows.
Whoa! She laughed at all my jokes.
Yeah, nice.
And frequently touched my arm.
Nice.
I knew she wished to go home with me, So I took her back to my house.
Nice, dude. Yo, whoever this is, please send us more, because obviously you know what's up with the ladies.
We have relations.
Oh, nice.
Shout out to us.
Shout out to this guy. Shout out to him.
I went into the kitchen. Suddenly, as I was standing at the fridge, a dark urge came over me. A voice in my head proclaimed, "Kill her. Do it now. Do it with that knife over there." And sure enough, my vision drifted over to the knife that lay on my kitchen counter. I went over and grasped it, holding its cold steel in my hand, feeling the sharpness of the blade. I went into my bedroom, where she lay, nude and bathed in blue moonlight. I slowly brought the knife up to her, beginning to slash her perfect skin. It was over before she could scream, and the adrenaline rushed from my brain into my hands, where a sharp tingle lingered for some time. I dropped the knife and stared at her for a long time, wondering what her story was. At one point I cried, but the tears felt distant and ghost-like. Eventually I left the house, and it was daylight by then. I since fled the area, and these items I have sent to you are related to several other kills I've committed since this first kill. I'm concerned about my increasing bloodlust and hope that you can ease it by putting out some more of those delicious skateboarding videos you have. Well, I can tell you one thing, those videos are definitely coming.
Yo, yeah, what's up? Yo, this guy, yo, what's in the box? I don't know why you did that, but okay.
I don't know what's up.
I don't understand how this relates to skateboarding, but
What? What?
Is there blood on that?
That's real blood.
Yo, put that down. Don't touch that. Oh shit. Oh god. Yo, that's not good. That's bad.
Alright, I'm gonna read this one real quick.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna read this one. Whoa! Yo! This guy, I don't know if you see it,
Wait.
but my man here, he drew a little butthole, dude.
Wait, here's the top.
Your videos are shit.
That's not cool.
Wow. Okay, you know what? I thought you were funny, but you're actually just a douche.
Yeah, that.
Fuck you,
The bubble
man.
part was funny, but.
The butt part was funny. Like, buttholes are funny.
Hey guys, just thought I'd tell you how much I love the vids. Hoping to make it into one of
Dude,
these.
what is this? Hold on, dude. This guy sent us a letter that says, "You guys suck at skating and your vids make me physically ill."
What the fuck?
He didn't even write well. Like, this handwriting is so bad. It looks like a fucking first grader did it.
Try your best, dude.
God, dude. If you don't like our videos, why are you watching them?
Hoping to make it into one of those legendary unboxing vids. My mom doesn't like that all I do is sit in my computer and watch her vids. She also doesn't like me getting mad and...
Wait, hold on.
Is that what that says? I can't read his handwriting.
Nah, dog. I think this is nude.
Oh, that's definitely
Nude, yeah.
Getting nude and dancing to my favorite song, The Boys Are Back in Town.
Great song, brother.
In the front lawn. I also don't think she likes me trying to skin our dog.
What?
Yeah, that's brutal.
Whoa, this guy's wild,
And
dude.
wacky. But I always tell her that the thing is a beast from the... what did that say? The seven...
It says seven.
What did that say?
Circles.
7 circles of hell. Oh my god. First of all, you need to... Handwriting's not that good.
Yeah. Maybe your handwriting's from the 7 circles of hell. Or like that. Yeah.
I mean,
Fucking douchebag.
for Pete's sake, Sir Drake told me.
The hell is that? Your grandpa?
Yeah, your grandpa's
Yeah, my grandpa's gay, dude.
Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. Sir Drake is the religious prophet who resides in my brain. He is an interesting fellow, always talking and always telling me cool new ideas of what to do. And in fact, he was the one who told me about your channel. Signed, and it looks like some satanic symbols.
We got a triangle. I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna put that one away. I don't want to rip that up on camera. Alright, well, I'm gonna read this one. Hey guys, Your videos are spectacular. I love to hear it. I love you. Me and my family watch all your videos as soon as they come up. Keep them coming. P.S. My mom says she thinks that South African boy is cute. From Amber Lee. Oh!
What are you talking about?
Oh, he's talking about Javon.
Javon.
Nice. I'll get you that number, my man. My main man.
Back.
Yeah, got you. Definitely save that one.
Let me get a letter. Hey guys, love the stuff. I love your vids so much that I sent you the exact coordinates to my family's ancient buried heirlooms. My dad didn't want me to send you this, but I told him to eat my ass. Only masterpieces stuff.
Hell yeah, dude. That is sick as hell.
Yo, he actually has coordinates on here.
Oh shit, dude.
Yo,
Negative 21.50745 46.97955.
Yeah,
That's
thanks,
nice.
Thanks, Gregory B. We really appreciate it. We're gonna check that
Oh,
out.
this was nice. Wow. I love your beautiful videos. That's all that's there, but that's all that needs to be there.
That's fantastic.
That's wonderful.
I'm glad you like them.
Well, we got one last box. First, we're gonna put these letters away, and then we're gonna open that last box.
I'm excited.
I think this one is from the. Who's it from?
Daniel.
Daniel. Yeah, Danny. He's a good guy. So sent us a little late Christmas present, but it's all good, you know. I mean, it's kind of surprising you even sent us one after we ran him over with that car.
Yeah.
That was for the video, so it's fine. It's okay.
He's in the credits.
Yeah, he's in there, but we had to do it for the video, so don't be a dick, Danny.
First of all, before we open this, I'm gonna say thanks a lot for the package.
Thanks a lot from everyone, and thanks to Daniel for this one especially. Hope you did well in the hospital, but I know broken spine can be hard. But let's be honest, that video that we made with that was pretty goddamn sick.
You're gonna be remembered as a fucking legend.
Yeah. I mean, you can't walk anymore, but.
Fuck, who needs it?
Yeah, exactly.
You're a legend.
You can just wheel around now, my man. You got wheels everywhere.
Really
Alright, let's open this up. It's pretty light though, Daniel. I don't know what you put in there, but you probably didn't need a box like this.
I'm excited.
Let's see.
This.
Wait, don't read that yet. Let me see this.
Yo, what's
Dog! Did you send us Coke?
Oh,
dude!
how did you know we love this shit?
Oh, hold on. Let me get a little bit of this. Hold on, bro. Alright, what's up with that letter?
It says this is anthrax. Fuck you, Daniel.
This is what?
Anthrax. I feel dizzy.
I don't know. I feel. Ugh.